So, the GoPro Hero8 Black just came out, and you find yourself saying, wow, look at all these nice features. I should get it for motovlogging. Wrong. Don't do it. At least not until you finish watching this video. You see, there is one big flaw that I found with the GoPro when it comes to motovlogging, but lucky for both of us, I found a cheap and easy solution. So, stick around and find out what it is. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Birch. Thanks for watching Life of Birch. If you tuned in to the video that I made about the 5 things that I hate about the new GoPro Hero8 Black, you would know that one of the main things that I hate is the fact that in order to plug in the microphone adapter, you have to take off the door that accesses the battery and the memory card. That might not be a big deal for some people, but for motovloggers, you know, as I mentioned, you don't want to have that door wide open, letting rain possibly get into the battery slot and the memory card slot, let alone risk the fact that you might, you know, hit a bump and end up having the battery pop out. So, you know, when I realized that, I was really considering whether or not I made the wrong decision buying the Hero8 for motovlogging until I found the solution. So, what I realized is that you can get the silicone sleeve for the GoPro. I got mine through GoPro directly for $20, although I've looked on Amazon and you can get knockoffs. I don't know if I want to say knockoffs, but not GoPro brand for less than $10. So what this is a protective sleeve that goes around the entire camera, made out of silicone, and it actually covers the entire battery door. So what I did is I put that on. Obviously I took off the battery door first, put the silicone case around it, and then I took just, you know, a regular X-Acto knife and I cut a slit right where I would need to plug in the microphone adapter. So easy to cut because X-Acto knives are sharp and silicone is silicone. And the perk to that is that now I can stick the microphone adapter right through that slit that I cut, and it stretches so it forms a seal around the microphone adapter. So now once I plug it in, you know, the battery's covered, the memory slot is covered, and I don't know if it's completely watertight, but I'll tell you one thing, I feel a lot more confident in it now than I did at the beginning. And if you really want to take it a step further to make sure that the battery doesn't pop out the side of it when you hit a bump, I think what I plan on doing is getting a spare battery door, which I think, again, is only like $20 through GoPro, and cutting it down so that it can still be attached and close, but still leave the spot for the microphone adapter exposed. So that way, when you put the silicone case around it, you can still plug in the microphone through the silicone case. But the bonus there is that with the door there, there's now pressure on the battery, making sure that that doesn't pop out also. So this is the first time that I've tested it out. I'm out riding now, and so far so good. Everything is nice and safe and intact. I may end up doing the battery door thing later, but I guess we'll wait and see if it ends up being needed because I have the battery pop out, which hopefully doesn't happen and isn't needed. And in that case, hopefully this quick little video just saved you guys some headache, and for 20 bucks and about 3 minutes worth of work, as you can see, you got the solution to make this the perfect motovlogging camera for you. So, if you got any, woohoo, beach traffic, something serious in the middle of winter. Anyway, if you got anything out of this, as always, please make sure to go ahead and like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel. I put out as many motorcycle videos as I can. You'll see some mountain biking videos in there, some unboxing videos with my wife, a little bit of something for everyone. So, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Peace!